Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to repair an iPhone charger cable. This can be used for iMac also. As you can see, there is a rip off in this place. I have repaired a wire already. After repairing, we have to put sealant on top of this. You can use any silicone glue. I'll just plug this and show you. You can see it is getting charged now. So when I use the other cable, I'll just plug with the other cable. So this is the sealed one or glued one. When I use the other cable, it is not charging. So it is connected. As you can see, it is not charging because of a disconnection or some wire has got disconnected internally. So our first step will be taking markings on this. I'll be using a marker just to mark the positions. So I'll be marking this side. So everything comes in the same place. This cable will work both the sides, but still will just take a marking for reference. So I'll be opening this. I'll be using a blade to open this. Let's see how it has been soldered. We will resolder this by reducing the length of the wire. We'll rejoin here. Then we'll just check if it is working. I'll just cut the wire now. If we pull, we can see how many wires are intact. So I don't find any wire it has been connected inside. Hardly I can see only one wire. So even that I will be cutting now. So it has been cut. We'll strip the wire now here. Apple uses a very good quality wire, so it is very difficult to strip this. See, it is better to use a stripper when you are trying to remove the sleeve. So it is not going to harm your fingers. So I was able to remove the sleeve. I have removed the additional sleeve. You can see there are three wires, one red, light green and one grey wire. Same here also, red, green and grey. So I'll be joining this directly here. I have to solder this and I'll be fixing additional sleeve so it will not get short circuited. Now I'll be soldering this. Now I am going to solder the wire one by one. I'll be using additional sleeve for this, so there is no short circuit after soldering. I'll start with red wire. So the red wire has been joined. After soldering, you can just pull the wire and check. So there is just a confirmation. I have to pull the sleeve inside so the wires are safe. So it is safe. You can either use a hot blower to fix the sleeve or just with soldering gun itself you can heat it up. Now I'll fix the green wire. just pull the sleeve. Done. Two wires has got connected. The cost of new lightning cable, it comes around 1800 1900 rupees. So this can be used for at least some time till it works. Later if it is required you can change it. But until or unless you keep this safe and the wires are intact, you can use it. Finally we will be fixing the white wire. The wires are rigid, so it is difficult to connect. It will be taking a little time. So all the three wires has been connected. Now it's time for testing. So let me test this. Even this ground wire needs to be connected. I forgot to explain this. Without connecting this ground wire it will not work. So let me just take it close to you. So this is the ground wire. There is no sleeve for this wire, it is just open wire. You have to connect this both the sides. So I'll solder this also. So finally it is the time for testing. I am using the same wire. You can see the pin which was soldered. I have connected to a power bank. So finally we will just plug this in. So you can see it is getting charged. Just remove and plug it back. So it is getting charged. So the challenge now is we have to take a small sleeve, plastic sleeve for this length. I have to connect from this connector till the wire here and fill it with silicone sealant. You can use any sleeve but make sure it is a hard. You can use a pipe also, a small plastic pipe, but you should connect from here to this end of the wire. So we will be doing it now. I was able to find a sleeve. So this is the sleeve which I will be using. There is a 10 mm pneumatic pipe. You can use the same or you can find some other sleeve that is left to you. So I will be using silicone sealant just to fix this. Friends, the wire is finally ready. The lightning cable is ready. I have just pasted additional sticker on top of this to match the same color. Some difference might be there, but still it is safe. It gives you long life when compared to a normal silicone sealant. This additional sleeve will help causing damage to the wires which we have soldered. So I will just test it again. See, it has started charging now. Instead of purchasing a new lightning cable, we can just fix this with very less materials like soldering iron and silicone sealant. Thank you friends. Subscribe for more videos.